Good morning, my dear. I think you all are fine. Students, today I will focus on inline style sheet. So every day you'll be having one style sheet. It may be inline, it may be internal or external. But today I will discuss inline style sheet. So first of all, you have to know what is inline. Already I have given you the notes and you must have read. When we use the inline style sheet, when we want our HTML code should be in line with the CSS code, then in that case, I will go for inline style sheet. When I will explain the coding, you will understand well. Now, first of all, you have to know four things. First one, in CSS inline style may be used to set a unique style for a single element. If suppose I am having a single element, now it is for a single element. That means if I want my paragraph should be aligned at the center, then what I will write here, I will use P. Paragraph first I will use, and then I will use style, and then equal to, and then I will use text, and then I will use a hyphen, and then align and center. Okay, this is. Now it is for a single element. You can see it. Got it? Now using inline styles, add the styled attributes to the related element. Yes, already I shown you the style attribute can contain any CSS property. Now what is any CSS property? It means that if I have used my P and then a style equal to, I can align my paragraph at the center, I can make my paragraph bold, I can increase the size of the paragraph. That means any CSS property I can use it. When I will be explaining the coding, you will understand everything. The last one, the inline style uses the HTML style attributes. I already said. That means here, whenever you are using the inline style, there you have to use the HTML styles attribute. Understood? Now, I am going to discuss the coding. First of all, I will go to Notepad. See, it is not hard, my dear. It is very easy. Very easy. So, first of all, you have to know how to write the HTML document, same way you write the document. How you use the tags, you use the tags, but which the tag is going to be formatted, there you must have to use style attribute. How? I will show you. First of all, HTML, to start it. Then we have the head. Then we have the title. What is the title? Working on, yes, inline one. So I'm writing here, working on inline style sheet. Okay, slash title I will use, slash head I will use, and then body. My this much part over. Now what we write inside the working, when you are opening your Google Chrome, whatever, See, this area is what? This area is what? Your working area. So whatever the contents that you write inside, my dear, these all contents are filled by the help of body and slash body tag. Between this, you have to keep it. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to work with the paragraph. Understood? I'm going to work with the paragraph. And what is, first of all, you have to know what I have to do with my paragraph. So I will use P. Suppose let me explain first of all the HTML code. And then I will show you how I'm going to just change this one into CSS one. See, paragraph, font, color equal to green, size equal to 5, and then hello, suppose hello, slash font, now slash body slash HTML. Actually, in HTML, when anyone asks from you, you have to write hello. This word you have to write, and this word should have color green and size as 5. Then you use this line. You use this line. I will show. Let me save it. File, save as. Suppose pr1 pr1.html. This file I have saved. I will open it and you see, my dear. It has come. It has shown my color what? My color green and size 5. This is by HTML. But now I'm going to change, my dear. Now I'm going to use the CSS. How I will do it? Watch it, my dear. I will not erase this one. I'm going to work with the other paragraph. B, okay. Now I will use style. Style equal to what is my color? So I'm writing color equal to, suppose red I want. I have used red. Now I want my size to be increased. Then I will use semicolon and then font dash size and then colon 24 px. Now, not only that, you see, my dear, I can use the other property also. What is? See, I want my text to be aligned at the center. Now you can see, my dear, there I can also make the text align. How? By using P align equal to center. This we have to write it. Now it is a little bit complex, but CSS is easy, my dear. Align equal to center. Now suppose I have to make my text bold. Then what I will use, my dear? Font dash weight and colon WEIG. Yeah. And then bold. Font weight bold. Now only this much I will do it. So first of all, let me remove this one, and here I will use the double quote and I will close it. Got it? Now this work I have completed almost. Now I'm going to save it. Save as same pr1.html, same file. Now I'm going to show you, reload it. Now you see, first and second, you can see it. Here, let me write the text. Thank you. Thank you. And then slash p. Now, both you watch it. Now, just now you can watch it. Here, what I have used. Here, what I color as green. See, color has come green. Now, size as 5. Size also have come 5. Now, next part, just you see it. Next one, what I have used, P style equal to color. Wait. I have done mistake here. It will be color. Now here you see. Next one, what I have done, my color as red. Color has become red, but this I have done using the style sheet. Font size 24px. That also applicable. Now text dash align, sorry, colon I have to use. Align center. Now you see, my text also came at the center. Now, what you understood in this one, that using the CSS, I can apply different formatting effects. Now, you see, my dear, I'm going to add one more effect. Add one more effect. Yes, that is background. What is background? Background, and then dash color, and then colon yellow. Now you see, this also will be applicable. This also will be applicable, my dear. Now, okay, that means I have taken only one tag. You see, I have taken only one tag, that is a paragraph, but using this paragraph tag, I am applying the different formatting effects. But when you will be using in HTML, it will be complex. I want to know one thing. Is it possible in this line to change the background color of hello? No. But CSS gives you a lot of facilities. You can have your text formatted in any way. It is up to you. Understood? Now, some more I am going to add it. Okay, yellow. Suppose I have used italics. Italics I want. So what I will use here, font, and then dash, and then style, and then colon, and then italic. Okay. Now I'm going to save it. Now, whether it is italic or not, italic it is. So you can apply different formatting effects, yes, on your tags. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear.